This is the Thomas the Tank Engine Kiddie ride by Jolly Roger. Before you ask, I'm going to have 2 rides on it. I was going to have 5 rides on this, but never mind. Let's do this. Are you kidding me right now, Thomas? Seriously, Thomas? Hang on, I'll just put the camera down here. It will reset. This must be having a laugh right now, Thomas. Yeah, it will reset. I'll talk about Nori next. Oh, try again. There we go. And yes. Remember Jolly Roger, 2006, announced on the Britov or Ghislaine Thomas Limited and PLC. Yeah. Yeah, I don't think I filmed Troy. I don't think I filmed Troy yet. Should I say sorry? I do apologise. Yeah, there's a no muscle machine going on there. I can just hear it, by the way. I'm gonna have 2 rides on this, by the way. That's all going off. Last rides. I find the theme song quite catchy, in my opinion. Oh, shut up annoying, please. Seriously. Yeah, sorry about that. I do apologise there. I just hate annoying when it goes off. Yeah, that was the Jolly Roger Stan Thomas and Tank Engine and Friends Kiddie rides.